Earthquake is one of the natural disasters that can cause damages to humans. I'm David. Today, me and my teammates, Cecily, Seven, Vivi, are going to talk about the 2005 Indonesia earthquake.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
The 2005 Nias tsunami earthquake, as known as Nias earthquake or Indonesia earthquake, happened off the northern west coast of Sumatra, Indonesia, not far from the famous 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami. It was the third most powerful earthquake since 1965 in Indonesia. The magnitude was 8.7 on the Richter scale. Government officials updated figures of death tolls at 532, with 422 in the Nias district and 113 from South Nias. Also, 1,125 seriously injured persons and 928 minor injury cases. The number of temporarily displaced has been put at 19,016, while the number of permanently displaced has been put at 35,235. Our group member Cecily did research on why this earthquake is significant. She cited all the earthquakes in Indonesia since the 21st century. The one that happened in 2005 was the biggest of the bunch. As a result, because of the more damage than most earthquakes experienced here. Cecily thinks the reason why the earthquakes was especially significant is that it triggered a tsunami under the combined attack of the 8.7 magnitude earthquake and tsunami. The damage was magnified. I also add that Indonesia is located in the Circum-Pacific seismic belt area, so the earthquakes and tsunamis are common. Into the next chapter, another team member, Vivi, made a mind map to show the consequences of the earthquake. Vivi broadly divides the consequences of the earthquake into two categories: the economic losses and the affected population. In other words, the harm to the property and the harm to the people. Although she is a little confused about the specific examples, the concept is absolutely correct. Internationally, we have a concept called earthquake environmental effects. Earthquake environmental effects are divided into two main types: primary effects and secondary effects. I have listed the definition on the screen. You can read them if you are good at English. Some people might ask, what did the government do after the earthquake happened? This part is in charge of our team member, Seven. He found out what the local government had done after the earthquake and made a list. After that, he gave his opinion on what the government should do after the disaster. His idea is right. Of course, a government should do all it can to make life better for its citizens, and that it should also be actively involved in the rescue and reconstruction efforts after a disaster. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you learned anything or just enjoy the video. My name is David, and I will meet you in the future.
Yada